everyone, welcome to our channel Ankuram Edutainment. Today's topic is Tulip Mania, story of Dutch financial bubble. Tulip mania is basically used as a metaphor to describe an economic bubble. It is one of the most famous and first ever financial bubbles and crashes of all times which occurred in Holland during 1600s. Before beginning to explain about Tulip Mania, let us first understand what exactly was the situation in Holland before Tulip Mania occurred. During 17th century, Holland was called Dutch Republic or Republic of United Netherlands. It was a golden age for Dutch Republic because it was that period when they conquered a global empire. They invented the first joint stock company, that is Dutch East India Company. They invented the first stock exchange, that is Amsterdam Stock Exchange, and they founded New York City. Now let us understand what causes economic bubble. Let us compare economic bubble with a soap bubble which is created using soapy water. A soap bubble has a high internal pressure compared to its surroundings which ultimately causes the bubble to burst. Similarly, an economic bubble is created due to increase in asset prices followed by a contraction. When investors are attracted towards a particular asset, its demand increases and it ultimately creates a bubble in the market which has to burst one day due to various reasons. Let us now begin with the story how tulip mania actually occurred. Tulip is basically a spring flower that belongs to the lily family. It initially arrived in Western Europe in the late 1500s from Turkey. These delicately formed and vividly colored flowers had become very popular in Western Europe and were considered to be a status item for the Dutch society. Looking at the popularity of such flowers, the professional cultivators, they tried to refine techniques to grow and produce the flowers locally. They learned that tulips could grow from seeds or buds that grow on the mother bulb. This bulb could grow the flower the very next year. There was another variety of tulips with striped multicolored pattern like you can see in the image. It evolved from a mosaic virus strain. These types of tulips were popularly known as Semper Augustus. They had become very popular in Western Europe and their demand was increasing day by day. The demand for Semper Augustus had exceeded the supply. In the year 1634, the demand for the tulip trade was so large that regular marts were being established on the stock exchange of Amsterdam, Rotterdam and other towns for the sale of such tulips. The craze of tulips was such that a single bulb of Semper Augustus was acceptable as a dowry for a bride. The investors in tulips were not any professional traders. They were basically those people who had day jobs and growing and trading tulip was a hobby or a side business for them. More and more people started to buy these tulips, speculating an upward movement in the price which led to increase in price of tulip. At the height of the bubble, tulips were sold for approximately 10,000 guilders which is equal to 4,19,921.64 INR. The value of one bulb was enough to buy one home on Amsterdam Canal, which is like an expensive place. Eventually, there had to be a limit to all of this, and the bubble had to burst, which happened in February 1637, where the tulip market could not find any buyers, and some sellers started to sell the flowers that they owned at whatever available price in the market in order to minimize their losses. This led to decrease in the prices, and the price came back to its actual value. The reason tulip bubble burst is because the actual value of these flowers was a lot lower compared to the amount it was being traded at, but the price was just going up endlessly. Today, tulip mania serves as a simple story that teaches us how excessive greed and speculation can lead to pitfalls. Actually, the burst of tulip mania did not send the Netherlands into full-blown economic crisis like in the case of financial crisis of 2008 or the Great Depression of 1930. Although the Dutch government had to intervene to save many investors, but the country's economy did not suffer a long-lasting consequences. Since it was the first financial bubble, it was difficult for investors to recognize the creation of bubble. Eventually, the flower market had recovered and today one can buy millions of tulips in Amsterdam, but those rare tulips like Semper Augustus are now extinct. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe. Please click the bell icon to get notified for the latest videos. Thank you.